Grove Music Online is one of the most valuable resources available to you as musicians. It's basically a huge online encyclopedia covering nearly all topics related to music. Think of it like a music-specific Wikipedia, but written by music experts. It's a great place to begin music research on almost any topic. Finding an entry on a particular subject is usually pretty easy. In the search box in the top right, just type in a musician's name, an instrument, or some other musical term. For this example, we'll try to find an entry about the saxophone. So I'll enter saxophone and hit enter to search. Then just look through the results and click on the one you want to read. I'll just click on this first one for the saxophone in general. If you're looking for a particular word or phrase in the article, you can use a keyboard shortcut on your computer to search within the text. If you're on a PC, use Control F, or on a Mac, use Command F. That brings up a search bar to search within the web page. For this example, we'll search read. That word is now highlighted wherever it is on the page, and I can hit the Enter button on my keyboard to jump to the next instance of that word. For larger entries like this one, you can also navigate the text with the Contents menu on the left side of the page. And then I can click on History and Use to jump directly to that section. Or I can click on Bibliography to jump to that section. Most entries in Grove contain a bibliography like this. It's a list of sources the author used to write that entry. If you find the books and articles cited here, you can learn even more about this topic. Lastly, and this is mostly for jazz or opera students, you may find related Grove entries at the very bottom of the page where it says more on this topic. In this case, it lists an entry for saxophone (jazz). That means there's another entry on the saxophone that was originally published in the New Grove Dictionary of Jazz, so it has more specialized information for that field. You may also see things with opera in parentheses or others. Then, if you want to read that article, just click on the link to open the text. So this one for saxophone has more information about jazz saxophone than the main entry did. So always look for those related entries to find more specialized information in your field. And remember, if you ever need help, just ask your librarian.